And now we will move to the lighter side. I said, what do you think that what are your hobbies and what are maybe your hobbies which you like to do in your time whenever you have time? I know it is a challenge to have time, but still whenever you have time or you plan things for that.
Well, fortunately in school days I was taught a very good formula, which was like poles repel each other and unlike poles attract each other. If that wouldn't have been the case, I would have been without a wife even after getting married. So I always tell my wife, when she tells me you're so different from me, I always tell her that we were taught in school that unlike poles like each other. If we would have been similar, we would have repelled.
Repelled.
So thank God that we are opposite.
Opposites.
So our tastes are different. My way of leisure is different. Her way of leisure is different. I like to travel. She likes to read. So it's there's a lot of difference which balances things together.
So now you read while traveling.
I don't like to read books. I like to read people who have read a lot of books. It is easier that way.
Absolutely.
Because I know for one thing for sure that in life you can earn as much money as you want, but you can't earn time. A moment gone is a moment gone.
Correct.
So I read people who have read a lot of books.
While you are traveling. Yeah.
Even if I'm not traveling.
Okay.
I can just call up a very dear friend of mine, Freddie Mendonça, and talk to him and gain a lot of knowledge on what's happening in the world, because he is also the head of Nokia, connecting people. So I know whom to make the call.
Absolutely. Yeah. Sugra, for you, how it is? Like, as he already shared that you like reading, what is the subject which you like to read, and normally what do you read? Like a few authors or maybe few books?
Well, I do like to read management, but I like to do a lot of work on internet, because I think there is a lot of vast knowledge over there. And whenever I have a leisure time, I like to do either in internet or spend a lot of time with children, or I like music. I'm actually have a big fan of music, but as he told you, okay, we are literally opposite. Whatever I would do, he would not do that much. But now we strike a balance amongst each other. We try to accommodate each other's choices, and then that's how we go on.
So when we say music, do you sing or?
No, not singing. I like to listen a lot of music. I'm a music fan.
Don't worry, I will not ask you to sing here. Yeah. Okay, but you like music.
Yes, I do like music, and I read whenever I'm having a little stress or something. The best stress releaser for me is either to listen to music or go window shopping.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. And do you have any questions from people? Can you please give me the question? For the source of knowledge, you must be reading several books. How do you manage time? I never saw you in upset mood. How is this?
Okay, who's this? Okay. Well, like I said, I don't read books. I meet a lot of people. I love meeting people. I can make friends very quickly at the airport or wherever I am. Little time that I get a new person and I get connecting, I get talking. I like to understand how people operate businesses. I get to understand their psychology. I get to understand their vision, and that keeps me going. And reading takes a lot of time. It needs a lot of patience. But when you talk to a person, believe me friends, when you talk to people who have done great achievements in life, it is brilliant. In a matter of few minutes, you are going to filter him out of what that person has done for his whole life.
Correct.
So it's fantastic, and that's how you go on adding to your knowledge. And I keep watching a lot of television whenever I can. So I am a great lover of technology. Technology is the best employee you can hire, because it listens to you, it does what you want it to do, and it can be a great assistant to you.
Correct.
So being a technology lover, I am always on the lookout of what's happening in the world, how it is changing the globe. And that's what I'm always briefed up with.
Right. One more question on that connecting people concept. Now say for example here there are so many people. I get in touch with them. Maybe they will share their cards with me, numbers with me, email IDs maybe. But after establishing or after getting connected for once, how do I maintain that? Because it's a big world, especially if you see in Bombay, you meet hundreds and thousands of people in a day. How do we manage that? Because I think it's a big challenge.
It is simple. I take the assistance of technology. So whenever there is an occasion, I always text to them. I give a call. I love to share opportunities. So I can place the person who can do a particular opportunity, who can encash a particular opportunity. So because of this, people are always in touch. So I've got people who are in school who are in touch with me, who are in college who are in touch with me, who are from different organizations who are in touch with me. Either I can do something for them, or they do something for me, or we are always wishing each other on good occasions, and the continuity happens. And a person feels very happy if he is remembered.
Correct.
Feels very happy. Everybody uses smartphones, but I really use it thoroughly well. It is a very pleasant thing that when you meet a person, when you feed his data in your mobile, and when he calls you up in 5 years, and you just, that person feels very warm about it.
Absolutely.
So these are some very small tips which I very regularly exercise, and that keeps me absolutely connected. Absolutely connected.
Right.
And in Gujaratis there is a very interesting and a very good saying which I love. Sauti moti khan olkhan. And it is really the wealth everyone should possess. So try to multiply
So
your
what-
contacts.
what is
My
the-
friend Jitu Dave is smiling. He is
Yeah,
a very
in fact-
successful Gujarati businessman.
How can you please translate it for us? Maybe what exactly?
Sauti moti khan olkhan means knowing people is like a gold mine. So that is the biggest mine. Many a times in life, money will fail you, but a contact will never fail. I have had this experience 5,000 times. Many a times, money will fail. Your status will fail.
Knowledge will fail.
Your knowledge will fail. But a contact will never fail.